Well, hey, y'all good people. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all having a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day today. Well, I had to come to you looking how I'm looking, child, because the video that you finna watch, it had no intro, okay? I just jumped right on into it, honey. Y'all know I do that a lot sometimes, but this particular time, I said let me going on and throw a little intro on him for them, child, so they can know what's going on, child. But in this video, child, me and mom, we had went grocery shopping, and I had found some deals at the grocery store. And this just one of the days that we just hanging out, playing us a little cards, just enjoy one another because we had nothing to do. And so we had stopped by the grocery store and called us some deals at the grocery store. And then I decided to come to the house and fry some chicken and make us some french fries. And so yeah, that's what we was having in this video. So yeah, I'll be cooking with y'all in this video, and whatever else we got going on, child. I don't know, cause I ain't done editing, but I decided to come and do this intro for y'all. But I hope y'all having a good day today. I do got clothes on. Okay, I do have on some clothes. Uh, just cut a little low. Me and baby, we sitting up here chilling. Hopefully y'all saw the little short that I did for y'all. I had posted it just a few minutes ago, and I had asked Babe what he be gay for $1 billion, and y'all got his reaction on that. But anyway, I knew it was gonna be funny, child. So I just wanted to give y'all something to laugh at on the day. But yeah, uh, in the meantime, in between time, right? Yeah, cause y'all ain't getting no video yet, so I went on ahead to post that for y'all, so y'all can see that until this one here come. So when this one get here, I hope y'all be ready for it. Y'all make sure y'all hit that thumbs up, that like button, and ring the doorbell, please, if you have not already. Go ahead on and do that now, okay? Cause I don't know what's going on, but yeah, I need y'all to ring that doorbell, hit the thumbs up, the like button. I'm gonna need for y'all to subscribe. Excuse me. Subscribe if you haven't. Make sure that you hype this video up. Welcome back to everybody that is new. And if y'all cooking something good today, let me know what y'all cooking. I'm thinking about making some fried chicken today, but I was also thinking to make some cabbage to go with it. I don't know why I had to taste for some cabbage. I don't know. I don't know if I got to taste for some piece of cornbread or something. But yeah, but Bay going to get us some lunch today, so we've been have us pork chop sandwich for lunch. I tried to fix the chicken for him for lunch, but he didn't want that, so yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, y'all, let's go and get into this video, child. Cause honey, this right here is about starting another one. Y'all have a good one. I'm out, y'all. Alrighty, y'all. So I done made it on to the house. This, this everything that I got besides 6 bags of the chicken. So I don't put that in my freezer already. Alright, so what I'm about to do is I'm about to bag up this here meat and the pork chops and things. So I got me some pork chop right here. I'm gonna put 2 to a bag. Look like 2, 4, 6. Look like I got 7 in there. But we're gonna put 2 to a bag. Then we got those center cut pork chops there. We're gonna put about some to a bag. I don't know how many, but about to get to working on that there real quick. So we got some pork chop here. Pork chop. And I use these to make like pork chop sandwiches or something. A lot of times when I cook these here, I'm gonna fry them. So that's why I'm gonna put 2 to a bag, because 9 times out of 10, they're gonna get fried, and I don't like leftover fried pork chops and stuff like that for real. So we got that. I got some bacon here. So we're gonna put that there to the side. Then I'm gonna do these pork chops here. Center cuts. I don't even know how many I got from that whole pork loin. I had them cut up some pork chops. I found a pork loin that was $16 and some change. So I'm gonna put like 1, 2, 3, 4 to a bag, I'm guessing. Yeah, like 4 to a bag. 2, 4. I'm gonna put 6 to a bag. 6 to a bag, like that. And then I write on the bag what's what. 4, 6. That's 12. 14. 16. 18. 20. 22. 24. 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 'Hold on, I gotta go get some more bags. I done ran out. So that's 36. That's 36. 38. 40. 42. Right there. Now this is the last bag. 44. 46. So I got 46 pork chops for $16.45. 46 center chops. That's pretty good. Alright, so now we're gonna do this ground beef. Alright, so we got some ground beef here. I found a pack of ground beef for $11.07. So we're just gonna break this here down until at least like 3. Get about 3 out of it, like that. Put on in the bag. And that should be enough. If I do spaghetti or something like that, just have to do them in like small batches, which I should be doing anyway. So yeah, put a little bit more of that in there. Alright, so we got 3 bags of ground beef for $11 and some change. Well, say $12 because you gotta pay 10% plus the tax. Okay, so we got that. Got all our meat separated up. Okay. So now we got some meat separated. This is how you do when you buy your stuff in bulk. Go ahead on now. Break it on down. And you flatten the ground beef out, it make it easier to thaw out, faster to thaw out. Alright, so now this the pork chop. Just gonna fill up all these here bags. And let me show you what else I found. So I found some ribeye shaved steak. I got 2 packs of that. I got some finger steaks here. And I got 3 packs of this. That's what, 3 and 6 and 4 now. Okay. So then I got some garlic bread because I thought about making some spaghetti today. I got some lettuce because the weekend coming up, so we're going to have us some burgers or some Philly cheesesteaks or something, but we're going to have something quick. And then I got some bread, hot hamburger buns, and then I got about 6 bags of forks. What else did I get? Oh, I got some onion powder, garlic powder, and another garlic powder. And then I found some mustard, so we got that there. So yeah, I got some diced tomatoes and some tomato paste. And we got some bacon here to go with them burgers or the Philly cheesesteak, however. So we got some bacon. And yeah, y'all, that's the haul right there. So now I'm about to season up my chicken so I can fry some chicken and make some french fries. And we're probably going to use some of this lettuce, honey, to make us a little smaller salad to go with it. Because why not? Because it ain't going to get ate up like I want it to. So we might as well make us a little salad to go with it. I wish I would have thought about that and bought some croutons. I love croutons, but I ain't got no croutons. I do have some crackers, but we ain't gonna need that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna do a little salad to go with. I ain't got none but, and it's gonna be a simple salad. When I say simple salad, that's just what it be, a simple salad. It just be lettuce, and I may add me some jalapeno peppers and some onions and stuff like that to it, and that be's about it. So yeah, y'all, I'm finna get all these closed up, right on what they is, get them in my freezer, and I'll be back. Alright, y'all, so we're about to season up these chicken wings here. I'm gonna get me some mustard. Hot sauce. Onion powder. Paprika. Some Goya. Black pepper. Chicken bouillon. Garlic powder. Seasoning salt. Alright. So now we're just gonna get that done mixed up. That look good there, baby. Alright, so now we're about to fry some chicken and some french fries and make us a little salad on the side. Yep, like that right there. Alright, y'all, we're finna start frying this chicken. Not taking too long. The grease getting super. When I tell you these electric stoves don't play, they get hot fast. It just keep reminding me. I ain't cooked on no electric in a long time, so Can't go wrong with a piece of chicken, baby. I want to try to get them all in here. You know I overcrowd the pot now. I'm going to stop there. I can put one right here too. See how much I can stuff this down there. One can go there. Alright, I'm going to let that get a little bit more hotter. And then I'm going to come back and add the rest on. Only got like 4 on. I get them on down in there. They're in here right now. And just let my juice sit back out. Alrighty, y'all. There go our chicken and fries. Mama played the chicken and fries. And baby look good. I did think about making the salad, honey, and I think that's all I did was thought about it, honey. I done sat on down. This chicken and fries is done, honey. We finna eat these chicken. We finna eat these chicken and fries and call it a day. But I hope y'all enjoyed this video. I'm gonna hang my blinds later. Probably hang them tomorrow. But anyway, I'll holler at y'all later. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, the like button. Till the next one, it's your girl Tiana. Y'all be blessed, and I am out. Peace out, y'all.